What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do some street pulls as long as it doesn't rain. Yeah, I'm doing some street tuning, just getting fuel ironed out if it needs to be ironed out, and yeah, so let's go find some street pool stuff to do. I just changed the plugs and gapped them down a little bit because I was having the same misfire issue situation at the same RPM. It was like 7,500. It would pop once and it would be fine. So I changed the spark plugs. I gapped them down to 32 thousandths instead of 36, which I had them at for the track event. And I basically took a half a degree to 3/4 of a degree out of the map to see if that'll alleviate it. I don't know if it's detonation or what, but hopefully that takes it out of it. I don't like that feeling. I like the consistent, you know, how it should run. So yeah, I did that. We're gonna see how it feels, how it pulls, and go from there. When I go to the dyno this weekend, I'm going to go through the degrees like we did last time, with starting at 20 degrees and working our way up, checking plugs for knock, stuff like that. I don't know how well y'all can hear me because this car is a little bit loud right now, so make a pull, peeps. Breaking up, so that's good. We'll see what we'll do another one, but in a little bit. That felt good though, second gear. We'll have to do a third and see what that says. Taking that 3/4 to half a degree out. So hopefully that alleviates it all the time. But we'll have to see when we get to the dyno what it makes for power. So much fucking traffic and nobody wants to race. What the fuck? So if you're wondering why I do 55, 60 on the highway, well, first of all, I have a B17 trans, as you can tell. I'm at 3750 at 6500. At like 8590, I'm above 5,000. So that's one reason. Second reason is people can pass me, and I can see other people that are coming up on me, and if they want to race, well, you know what I'm saying? Sounded mad good. Fuck yeah, boy. That's how it should be every fucking shift. Money. Yo, it looks like it's starting to rain. I don't know if I'll get another pull in or not. I really want to get like a 1, 2, 3, but we'll see how it is when I get further out. Looks like nobody wants to run. I mean, it's not really even wet out. It's just like if there was fog in the air, that's what I'm getting. A little bit of mist. So depending on how wet this road is over here, I'm gonna do a 1, 2, 3 and see how she likes it. Wait for these cars to go by. So many fucking cars. Give her the old yah yeet. Yeah, these roads are a little bit wet. Just a little bit. Let's see how second to third feels onto the highway. In Mexico, of course. What you looking at? I want to do another third, but I don't know if there's enough. There's a lot of traffic, that's all, in Mexico. Fucking traffic, dog. I'm in the middle of nowhere and there's fucking traffic. It's a little dusty, so yeah, oops, very rarely do I ever do that. I don't know what happened. What's that? I don't know. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise here. catch, but this road's a little bumpy. Oh shit. Thanks for watching, guys. Should have some more of the same type of material, hopefully. I'm gonna try and pick up a GoPro like this. This is actually my buddy's that I'm borrowing. And I'm trying to get this whole setup with the head strap, I mean, you know, get some decent footage for the channel. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys.